Welcome to the Energy Web staking tutorial. First, go to the website state-ewt.io. Now, you have to connect your MetaMask account with the Energy Web chain configuration, instead of Ethereum mainnet configuration. Therefore, click Import Configuration. Your MetaMask wallet will automatically pop up with the appropriate EWT chain configuration. Click Approve. Click Switch Network. You can see that you are on the EWT chain now on your MetaMask wallet. Now go to the website state-ewt.io again. Click Use MetaMask. After a few seconds a signature request will pop up from your MetaMask wallet. Click Sign. The staking page will show up. Now, you have to verify your email address before you can stake. So, enter your email address. Click Submit. Sign the signature request twice. Now go to your email. Confirm your email. After successful verification, click Go back to homepage. Now click Enroll. Confirm your transaction. Now you are verified and are authorized to stake. Enter the amount of EWT token you want to stake. And then click Stake. Right now, the staking pool is full, which is 5 million. This means that, if anyone unstakes their token, then you can stake your token until the pool becomes 5 million. The boosted staking reward APY is 21.79% until March 2022. After that, it will be anywhere between 10 to 20%, depending on the dSLA service provider. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, please join our Telegram and Discord channel. Our ambassadors would be happy to help you.